Don't skip this video if you're an African who is planning to start a business in Africa. And after this video, I will not ask for your email address or ask you to buy anything from me. You see, my entrepreneurial journey started when I was around age 7. My mother will roast groundnut and ask me to hawk it around in our village. Some other days when I am not selling groundnuts, I will be in my mother's shop helping her to sell petty things she was selling, like kerosene, like biscuit, like sweet, cigarette, and stuff like that. Now, when I was 15 years old, I told my parents that I wanted to pay for something in school and they gave me money, but I did not pay for anything. Instead, I bought a used bicycle for 2,500 naira. So after school hours, I will go to this open field where my mates will be and they will be renting my bicycle. 5 naira was for 5 minutes and 10 naira was for 10 minutes. And for the first time in my life, I fell in love with entrepreneurship. When I was 21 years old and 6 months, I announced to my parents that I hated school and I did not want to have anything to do with an institution that was training me to become an employee. So I left school in 2008. And on Thursday, 24th of July 2008, I went fully into the business world. Today, I am the owner and CEO of a limited liability company which operates from Lagos, Nigeria. We named it 27th Century Limited, and the company has 3 different businesses underneath. We have an agri-technology business, we have a media business, and we have an educational platform. Now, if you pay attention to my story, which I just told you now, you will observe something, and that is everything seems straight and smooth, but in reality, that is not how life is. Every business I have been involved with always come with a lot of headaches, a lot of mistakes, and some terrible failure. And that is the very first thing I need you to understand as an African. You see, it is extremely difficult to build a business that becomes successful. And most Africans don't want to take that as the reality. Now, I have been involved with more than 13 businesses in my career as an entrepreneur. And here's the truth I have to tell you. Building a business that succeeds is difficult. Forget all the bullshit that people tell you on the internet about how you can make $10,000 next week Tuesday. If it was that easy, the question I'm asking you is, why is everybody not rich? The only reason why only few people are rich is because it is difficult to build a successful business. And if you truly want to do it, you have to have that at the back of your mind, or you won't be able to do it. The second thing I need you to understand is you have to believe that you can do it. You see, as African, we are in this position that everybody in the world and the media tell us that our continent is dark, poor, and hopeless. And because we believe this, it becomes the reality for us. Am I telling you now that there are no problems in Africa? No. We have a billion problem right here. But what I'm telling you is some of those problems are actually the reason why you can be rich. By solving some of those problems, by believing that you have the capacity to solve some of those problems, you can build a business around some of the problems and become rich. It is not as simple as I'm saying it, but I did it, so you can do it. Now, the third thing I need you to do as an African is to focus on the opportunities in Africa and not on the crisis. So let me explain what I mean by this. You see, we have so many problems. That is the truth. We have so many crises in our country. But the biggest mistake we make is we focus all our attention on those crises and all those problems. And what happens when you do that is you really don't know that there are opportunities. Because what you wake up every morning to do is to focus on what is not going well and the problems and the crisis. Now, what I challenge you to do instead is to start focusing on the opportunities we have in this continent. And I tell you, we have so many of them. But you really will not see any one of them if you wake up every morning to complain, make excuse, and think we are in hellfire. We are not in heaven, right? But we are not in hellfire as well. Some people are still fighting so hard to figure out how to build successful businesses. And yeah, I just wish you think about these three things I share with you. I wish this video is helpful. My name is Steve Courage. If you like this video, you might want to share it with some of your friends. If you don't like it, I'm very sorry for wasting your time. Have a nice day.